To turn off Google Assistant in Motorola Moto G15, first we need to open a settings on our device. Then scroll down and look for the gestures first. And right here, I will already tell you that basically there's no strict way that you can fully remove your Google Assistant. You can try to disable as many shortcuts for it to pop up as possible. And first, I think in the gestures, we're going to go for navigation method. If you're using 3 buttons, then you can disable hold home button for Assistant. Now, if we hold our home button, our Google Assistant won't pop up. Next thing is press and hold power button and switch it to the power menu. And now our Google Assistant also won't pop up by holding a power button. And the last thing you can do is go for the Google service on the bottom, select all services, scroll down to search Assistant and voice, and then select Google Assistant from the top. Now somewhere on the bottom you will find digital assistants from Google. You can switch to Gemini, which will disable Google Assistant, but at the same time give you Gemini AI, which is also from Google. And but here also last thing that you can do, which will prevent your Google Assistant from ever popping up, is to deactivate Hey Google, and also make sure to do it while driving, and then your Google Assistant will be basically gone. But it will remain on your phone, it won't open. And that is everything. Thanks so much for watching.